Hello and welcome to EA Computer's Containerization Demonstration. I'm your presenter, Eduardo Alvarez Hernandez, and today I'll be walking you through the application of containerization, focusing on Docker, Docker files, and Docker Compose. The goal of this demonstration is to explain and show the usage of containers using AWS Lightsail, or also called EC2 instances. So containerization is a technology that allows applications to be packed with their dependencies and environment, ensuring consistent behavior across different systems. Docker is an open source platform that allows us to create these portable containers. So with that said, I'm going to jump off to connect to my virtual machine and explain how uh, you can use containerization to uh, run run an application in different containers. So here I have already my keys. In the manual, I provide instructions on how to get this, but I'm gonna start connecting to my virtual machine. Okay, now that I'm in, I'm gonna move to my web page directory. Inside here, you can see different files that I have. This is the index file from where I created the vase container, the images, the style, and here are directories containing different CSS files that would uh, that will create unique websites that differ from the original uh, base, as it would switch those style files to give this unique characteristic that differentiates them from the rest. Explain a little bit about Dockerfile. A Dockerfile is a script containing a series of commands that define how to create the Docker image. It specifies everything that your container needs to run, from the base image, dependencies, and configurations. On the other hand, we have the Docker Compose files. That is a tool and helps us to run multiple containers, multiple Docker applications as well. And it is what we'll be using to run 10 copies from the base container, 5 of which would be identical to the base container, and the other 5 that would be unique, or they would have unique elements, as I mentioned before. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in the command to start running this containers. So it would be docker compose -f to specify the name. So Docker Compose 1 is the one that contains the identical containers, and Docker Compose 2 is the one that has the unique uh, copies. And just to run them, we type at the end up. So here we see that they're being created. They got created, the containers. We can see them right here. Uh, Container 5. Yeah, so we see the multiple of them, and they're like listening through the web. Beforehand, I allow it all TCP connections to be able to connect through my local browser and see the content of this website. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the IP. So this is my IP. So I can just paste this and then access the port. So I'm gonna first access the 5 identical websites. So this is like the base from the base container. We go to the second port, the same thing. Third port, same thing. Fourth, same thing. Fifth, same thing. So now I'm gonna access the unique ones. I go to 6. As you can see, the background changes, color in this tabs change. Also the type of font it changed. Let me just show you a quick comparison. See, this is one type of font, and this is another one. And if we keep going, they all have different things. This is another type of font, also different colors, different background. We go into 88, same thing. 89, same. This has uh, different elements. Then we go into 90, which is the last one. And as well, we have a great background with brown letters, brown, reddish letters. And yes, the elements that characterize like the different containers. Uh, yes. So as a conclusion, containers are crucial for achieving consistent environments and efficient use of system resources, offering a lightweight and portable solution. By using Docker and Docker Compose, we can easily build, manage, and scale applications, simplifying both development and deployment process. By building and running these containers, scalable and portable applications can be created. And the tools used during this demonstration were Docker, Docker Compose, uh, Docker File as well, which are powerful tools in modern cloud environments, simplifying, as I said, both the deployment and development process. Thank you, and here's our contact information in case you experience any issues or have any comments. Thank you.